In this video we are going to talk about the best battery disconnect switches in this year, which is Top Post Battery Master Disconnect Switch. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. With Top Post Battery Disconnect Switch, a simple twist of a knob provides a convenient way to quickly disconnect and reconnect power from an automotive battery. The switch provides a clean, solid, low-profile connection to your car, truck, boat, or RV battery. The switch makes it simple to disconnect your battery to work on your vehicle, or the knob can be removed to prevent theft. It also works great to eliminate battery drain if you're storing a vehicle for an extended period of time. Tested to exceed a continuous 200 amp load. Easy to install instructions: disconnect ground cable from battery and attach it to switch mounting post. Attach clamp end of switch to battery post. Turn black knob fully clockwise to connect battery power. To disconnect power, turn knob 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Knob can be removed for anti-theft. Keep connections clean and tight to assure optimum performance. The negative post diameter on a SAE automotive battery is 0.625 inch, which is the same as our switch post. Some batteries have larger posts, so it's necessary to use a shim with a standard battery disconnect switch. You can use a thin piece of copper or brass, or they sell battery post shims at most auto stores or on Amazon. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.